I'm here to talk to you about smoke alarms today. I get a lot of customers phoning me saying my smoke alarms keep bleeping, it's really annoying, what can I do, what's the problem? So I wanted to talk to you about the solution. When your smoke alarm bleeps every 1 or 2 minutes or so, it's a sign that the battery inside the smoke alarm is low or dying, basically. So inside main smoke alarms you have a 9-volt backup battery usually. It's one of those little rectangular batteries, and all you need to do is take that old battery out, put a new one in, and then that should stop that regular bleeping sound. Now what you might want to do is change all the batteries in the smoke alarms throughout your house. The reason being that they were probably installed at the same time, and so if one of the batteries is low, probably all of them are going to be low soon, and it might be worth to just change them all. That's the solution to that problem, and hopefully that will stop you from losing a few nights sleep. Now one thing I want to say is, please, whatever you do, don't out of desperation remove the smoke alarm head in order to stop the smoke alarm from bleeping, because this means that you're at risk of fire and your smoke detection is not going to work. It's not safe. Please just go out, get a backup battery, change it, and then everything will be working safely and properly. If there's any other problems with smoke alarms, we do take care of smoke alarm maintenance and installation, so please feel free to give us a call and we can come around and help you.